This is high-grade cassiterite. The vein indicates significant deposits for the factory. Make sure the connections are tight.
Red to red, yellow to the cap, all secure.
A specialized stacker machine creates a massive conical pile of crushed ore, ensuring the processing plant has enough to run.
The slurry is pumped into a cluster of hydrocyclones. Centrifugal force separates fine particles from coarse ones.
The concentration here is excellent.
Yes, the tin recovery looks good today.
The concentrate enters bubbling tanks. Chemicals are added to make sulfide impurity to the top as froth.
The wet, clean cassiterite concentrate is fed into a rotary kiln dryer. Heat evaporates the moisture.
Slag formation. The limestone flux bonds with rock impurities to form a liquid slag that floats on top of the heavy. The molten metal from the furnace is poured into large molds. It cools into rough, heavy blocks called crude tin.
To remove iron, the worker blows compressed air or steam through the molten tin. A solid crust forms.
Aluminum or specialized chemicals are stirred into the tin. This bonds with arsenic and antimony. A worker carefully removes.
The pure molten tin is pumped to an automated casting wheel. Molds move on a chain. A precise amount of liquid.
Pressure's spiking on reactor 4.
Acknowledged. Opening the coolant valve now.
The factory also accepts scrap tin, old solder, bronze. A worker sorts the scrap.
Watch the alignment on your side.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down slowly.
The tin from the factory is the glue of the modern world. The circuit board passes through an oven. The solder melts and create a shiny joint. This connects the origin to the function.
Steel sheets pass through a bath of liquid tin. This makes food cans rust-proof. The factory product protects the world's food supply.
As part of our sustainability review, this reclaimed mineland has been replanted with trees.
A final drone shot pulling away from the factory as the sun sets. The lights of the plant turn on.